Hey guys, what's up? It's Rhegan and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be cleaning my apartment. It's really not that dirty, but it's time for a deep clean. I got my coffee, I'm ready to go. Jaden, he's right here watching his Hey Baby Bear Sensory, the dancing fruits and vegetables. So that will keep him occupied for now. And I'm just gonna start cleaning. Broke boys on a Zerno pussy, I know that's right. Big pants turn them in the big bands and if it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, the first thing I'm gonna start with is throwing all of Jaden's diapers away. I really want to get into cloth diapers. I'm just scared, and I keep putting it off. So till then, disposables. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start laundry because it makes the most sense to have laundry going while I am cleaning. And now that Jaden's clothes are going, I'm going to go ahead and start separating my clothes by colors. Alrighty, now on to the kitchen. This is my least favorite place to clean, aside from the bathroom, because I feel like I'm constantly, Jaden, I feel like I'm constantly cleaning it over and over again, because when you cook from home, it's a never-ending cycle. But I'm gonna go ahead and, what am I doing? The June book. I think the first thing that I do is clear out the load that's already in the dishwasher, and then I am going to start clearing out the dishes in the sink. I'm going to go ahead and start the next load, and then next up is the living room. So I'm just going to clear out anything that doesn't belong in here, and then start cleaning up. with some furniture polish and polishing my dining room table and my little buffet because it's been a while since I cleaned that. And now that I have vacuumed, I'm gonna go in with the cedar, I think it's the O Cedar Spin Mop. I love this thing. I follow cleaning TikTok accounts, so I saw this mop a lot, and I decided to try it because it looked like it was like really convenient and easy to use, and it is. I love it. I just used some hot water and a little bit of pine salt just to make sure that the floors are sanitized. You can use Fabuloso. I've seen them use like Tide powder. I've never tried that, but I just like to keep it simple to disinfect my floors. Let me tell y'all, this is a workout trying to mop and vacuum with a 6-month-old. He's like over 20 pounds, but it's okay. We got a little workout in. As you can see, he's just chilling. He absolutely loves this carrier. I've been using it for him since he was a newborn. If I was doing a deep clean, I would normally clean like the ceiling fans, dust the ceiling fans. Are you just coughing for attention? I see you. I love you. And I would wipe like where my plants are, but we're gonna save that for another video. I was tired. And this is the yucky mop water. When I first mopped my floors, like since moving in, it was really bad. It was dark. And here's the finished product. Not too shabby. Alright guys, that is all the energy I have for today for cleaning. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Say bye-bye!